Hello and welcome again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always in the best condition. Today's recipe is cachir without meat, but with a meat-like taste. Here I have 1 cup of chickpeas that I soaked. Half a cup of dry chickpeas gives 1 cup after soaking. I like it well cooked, so I will take 1 cup. I add boiling water. I cover and cook it without adding anything else. After cooking the chickpeas like this, I come back to you. Here it is cooked. Do not press the chickpeas, just fill the cup. I have 2 tablespoons of starch. I have 1½ tablespoons of beet juice. Squeeze it and keep only the liquid. If you do not want coloring, you can skip it. Add 1 teaspoon of red pepper and 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. This quantity does not change the color much. I have 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 drop of lemon or vinegar, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 4 cheese triangles. Triangle cheese. Half a teaspoon of coriander, black pepper, red pepper, and cumin. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder. Salt according to taste. Now we go to the method. I add the milk to the blender, then the chickpeas and cheese. Blend until creamy. The texture becomes smooth and creamy. Add the eggs. Add the spices. Add soy sauce for a meat-like flavor. Add a drop of lemon. I prefer lemon in cooking. Add the filtered beet juice. It is only for color and does not affect taste. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Blend everything again. After blending, I prepare the mold. Pour the mixture into the mold. Leave space for it to rise. The volume will increase. You can bake it in a greased mold at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. This is the method. I will steam it instead. Plastic is not ideal, but this is what I have. The mixture is slightly liquid. It turns out very good. Boil water and place the steamer on top. Place the mold inside. Cover and steam for 45 minutes until fully cooked. Now it is ready. Transfer it to a container. Brush with a little oil. Add a pinch of paprika and thyme. Decorate with it. Wrap it in plastic and refrigerate. Let it cool and firm. Now it is cold. Cut into thin slices. It looks like this and contains no meat, but it tastes great. I will do one more step. Lightly grease a pan and spout. Cook both sides. Try this method, it is very good. Use only a little oil. Spout for sandwich use. This step is optional. Just useful tips. You can also use beans. If you skip beet, use red pepper and tomato paste. Flip the slices. It gives a meat-like flavor. Made only with chickpeas. Now assemble the sandwich. Lightly toast the bread. Mix cheese with mayonnaise. Add lettuce. Add tomato. and onion. Add cachir slices. Add pickles. Add melted cheese. Add ketchup. Close the sandwich. This is the sandwich. The final result. I hope you like it. Do not forget to like and subscribe.